Hey, good afternoon. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's see, so far today I've cleaned 3 drains and repaired 2 sump pumps. Now heading to the final job of the day. But we just have this new tropical system, Elsa, that just formed, and I really hope people pay attention to that here in Florida. Number one, take the necessary precautions to stay safe. That thing, we know here in Florida, systems can change overnight, and it can go from a small tropical depression to a full-blown hurricane within just a few hours. So be sure to take the necessary precautions to stay safe. Number two is that it's been raining here for the last 10 days, every day of the afternoon, and our ground table, our water table, is very high. That means that as this system does come across, if it comes across the state, it's going to dump an awful lot of water, and that's going to produce a lot of rainfall, which is going to make a lot of flooding. So a couple things that we can do. Number one, if you have a drainage system, you have an existing system, downspout drains, perhaps catch basins, channel drains, we need to get these things cleaned as soon as possible. At the very least, go out there and stick a garden hose in there and check that system, see how well it's functioning. Number two, if you've got the backyard sump pump, it's pretty easy to check these systems. Open up that lid and make sure that there's no debris at the bottom of that basin. You can use your garden hose, just wash it all out. Your pump should take it out. Not just our pumps, but a lot of people install these systems. So basins are all the same. Basically you can run that garden hose and just wash out any sand or debris, and the pump should lift it up and send it out to wherever it's discharging. Your pump should be functioning just like this one. Number two, make sure at the same time you check that float. Make sure your pump is operational. These things, they'll make a dramatic difference as we get into the bigger range of the hurricane. It doesn't matter what the system, whether it's a downspout, a channel drain, maybe it's a backyard sump pump. Make sure that these things are in good working order. In other words, maintenance. It's easy. Stick a garden hose down in that pipe and see if it discharges. See if that water comes out. If it doesn't, you need to get that thing cleaned as soon as possible. Maintenance is so important. It is key to all drainage systems. So if you don't know where your discharge, the exit point of your drain is, let me show you a quick little video to show you how simple this is to find. It really is easy. So a lot of homeowners, as we come out, and of course it's right when we're finishing the job, they always ask you to do one more thing. And probably the most common thing that they would like to do is, of course, they want to clean these downspout drains. However, let me show you a simple way that you can find out where that discharge is, especially if you have no idea and it's grown over or whatever. It's pretty simple. Take a look. So here on the front of the house, this downspout, it picks up a great deal of roof all the way around. A lot of valleys, probably about 2,000 square feet come down to this downspout. Very important. So when he asked me to take a look and see what's going on, first thing I do is see what's happening here. I see some evidence of overflowing. So when it rains really hard, this line's at capacity. But what I've done is stick the garden hose in there, and you can do the same thing. Put your hose in there. What you're going to see, does it back up? If it does, then you definitely need to clean it. There's no doubt. If it takes water, it'll take it about 15 minutes. That water will run down through the line. Let me grab my shovel. And I already had an idea where it came out, but down here there's a culvert that goes under the driveway. And you can see that little hole right there, okay? And if I pull it back a little bit, you can see the galvanized culvert. This is an 18-inch culvert. You see that water? So we know water's coming out here, and if I look carefully, I can see it's coming up down through the hill. So I'm going to explore right here and see if we can find the discharge. Okay, so you can see there's the end of the line. We've got a real good flow coming out. It's going into the culvert, it's getting carried away. But they buried it really deep, and they didn't put any pop-up on it or anything, which is okay. But this has to be maintained, and you can see the root systems. These are pine trees, and they're huge root system. They extend all the way. Definitely seek that water. But a real simple thing, stick the garden hose in that downspout, just like up there. Stick the garden hose in it, If it overflows, yeah, you need to clean that line, and you can call us or whoever's in your area to clean it. But if it doesn't overflow, give it a few minutes and then look for evidence of water. This one was easy. It has a culvert. Sometimes you might just see water come up out of the ground, and you just explore the area, you'll find the pipe. Real simple. Quick little how-to tip. Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. We are finishing up this waterproofing install. We added so many things here. Just wanted to make a quick note. We are extremely busy, and heading into rainy season, it's just around the corner. I urge you to use our service sign up to get on our schedule. It's filling up very fast, and of course, hurricane season is right around that. We're actually in hurricane season, but coming into July, August, and especially September, that's when we get hit. So if you're going to sign up online, or if you would like for us to do some service for you, please go to the website and use that service. Last thing to talk about real quick. Sorry, I'm driving and I'm just trying to get some information out here. Hopefully people listen. We've got the live help, group help, Saturday morning, July 3rd at 8 a.m. I hope I can still do that. We are really busy, but I've scheduled that time slot, so I'll still try to do that Saturday morning, 8 a.m. We use Zoom, and we can admit up to 100 people. Sometimes it's full, sometimes it's not. But please, if you're interested here in Florida, especially here in Florida, if you've got some questions about your drainage system, let me try to help you, because these things are easy to do, but a lot of people just don't understand, what needs to be done to make this system work properly. So join in Saturday morning, July 3rd at 8 a.m.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.